Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can create borders around text. Let's examine the text border feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility to display the text modification menu, and then select the text outline option. When the dialog box appears, choose between New Text and Text at the top. Let's try using New Text. You can set the increment value, prefix, suffix, text height, border, and leader. Let's add CAD as a prefix to the default settings. Once the settings are complete, click the OK button. Specifying the leader position and mark position creates text, borders, and leaders. This way, you can create new text and borders together. Now, let's create a border for existing text. Re-execute the command and select text. You can set the shape and size of the border. Select the shape as ellipse, and click the OK button. When you select the text, an ellipse-shaped border is created. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to create borders for text. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.